How to buy crypto with credit card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto with credit card. Now, as you know, you can't directly buy crypto with your credit card, but you can set your credit card as the payment method on a particular wallet that you are using to purchase the crypto. Now, for example, Binance accepts your credit card as the payment method. So what you can do is you can go ahead and there you can add your credit card as the payment method here. So once you set it as the payment method, what it does is you'll be able to go ahead and make the purchase. Simply go ahead and try to buy a certain crypto there, and when you go through the verification process there, and it'll ask you for payment details and such, right? So you want to simply select your credit card as your payment method there. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.